Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading above $24,000. Has Bitcoin started a new bull run? We saw Bitcoin rallying hard in the last 1 week. Bitcoin is up more than 12.6%. Bitcoin got to as high as $26,500. Right now, Bitcoin is still trading below $25,000. Was that just a huge bull trap? Will Bitcoin continue dumping to gobbling town, or has Bitcoin started a new bull run? We'll be taking a look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is steadily increasing right now, currently at 45.68%. We'll also take a look at Bitcoin's market cap and Bitcoin's performance against Ethereum. Where is Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and in the coming months? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
In the last 1 month, Bitcoin has gone from as low as $19,600 to as high as $26,500. Bitcoin is still the king of the market, ranked number 1 on CoinMarketCap, with over 3.8 million people having Bitcoin on their watch list. Bitcoin's market cap is currently at $473 billion. Bitcoin started the week around $19,000, but rallying towards $26,000 in a matter of days. Right now, we're deep in Bitcoin's bear market. Bitcoin is down 40% on the yearly time frame, but on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, we're seeing Bitcoin pump to higher prices. So as Bitcoin started a new bull run, was this also a massive bull trap, getting bulls trapped up at $26,000 before we continue dumping to gobbling town? If you take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a daily time frame, we have seen Bitcoin drop to as low as $15,500 in this bear market, but that was in November 2022. Since then, Bitcoin has slowly but surely worked its way up towards $26,000, rallying up by more than 67%. Bitcoin got to $26,000 in March. That's the highest we have seen Bitcoin trade since June of 2022. A lot of people got bullish, but right now it looks as if we're giving some of those gains back to the market. We saw the whole crypto market pumping to higher prices, but it looks as if it was just a lot of people getting liquidated. All coins are down right now, even though Bitcoin is holding its own. Guys, do you think Bitcoin will continue pumping in the coming days and the coming weeks? Bitcoin is still struggling with that $24,500 resistance. If we see Bitcoin have a clean break above $25,000 and holding that, maybe just maybe Bitcoin is ready to pump towards $28,000, maybe getting to as high as $30,000. But if we go and close the candle above the $25,000 region, we might just continue heading back to gobbling town. Bitcoin was trading around $19,600. That was on the 10th of March 2023. A lot of people are expecting Bitcoin to continue dumping to gobbling town, but we saw a huge reversal, huge liquidation happen, and Bitcoin rallied towards $26,000 and went up 33% in just a 4-day period. Crazy to see, but that's what happens in the bear market. All coins are very volatile in the bear market. Bitcoin is also volatile in the bear market. In bear markets, we see movements in both directions violently. In bear markets, a lot of people are trying to predict the direction of the market. So for the bulls and the bears to get fucked up, we have to see them getting liquidated in both directions. We saw a lot of bears getting liquidated as we're pumping to the upside, and we saw a lot of bulls getting liquidated as we're dumping from $25,000 back to $19,000. Avoid leverage, guys. We're deep in the bear market. In the bear market, we want to be accumulating in anticipation of the next crypto bull run. And the verdict is that maybe, just maybe, Bitcoin has started a new bull market, but you want to be very, very careful. The last thing you want to do is jumping and going all in when we have not seen all confirmations that Bitcoin is ready to continue pumping to higher prices. If you take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a larger time frame, you will see that Bitcoin has been dumping to gobbling town, and right now we're closer to the bottom than we are to the top, and there's a very, very strong possibility in this bear market that we might still see Bitcoin trade around that $13,600 region I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin have a 50% dump from the $26,000 we got to in March. Bitcoin can easily dump 50% back to that $13,600 region. But I believe the bottom is in, and even though Bitcoin might have started a bull market cycle, we might still see Bitcoin eventually dump to gobbling town at some point in time in the next few weeks. If you want to buy some Bitcoin right now, deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, you can buy some Bitcoin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Right now in the bear market, long-term investors are still accumulating Bitcoin in anticipation for the next bull run. If you believe Bitcoin is going towards $100,000, $200,000, maybe even $300,000, buying Bitcoin around the $20,000 region will be a smart investment idea, and you will thank yourself in the future. We saw Bitcoin coming back to test the previous all-time high around $19,600, and Bitcoin got bought up right there. So maybe just maybe the bottom is in for Bitcoin. Maybe just maybe Bitcoin is not going to go below $20,000 in the coming days and in the coming weeks. But guys, if you're investing, remember not to go all in. There's always going to be that possibility that we're going to have a huge dump to gobbling town, and you always want to have some capital on the side so that you can take advantage of those opportunities. We saw that kind of opportunities after the bottom has come in for Bitcoin in March of 2020. Bitcoin bottomed in December of 2019, but in March of 2020, we saw a huge dump to the downside, and only some people who had capital on the side could take advantage of the opportunity. Bitcoin had a 59% dump to the downside, but if you had some capital on the side, that was the buying opportunity of a lifetime. Bitcoin dropped to as low as $4,000, and that's why you want to keep some capital on the side. We might see Bitcoin at some point in time in this bear market head down below $20,000. We'll used to be buying right there if you see Bitcoin dropping that low. If you take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the market, Bitcoin dominance in the market has risen towards 45%. This is the highest we have seen Bitcoin dominance in the market since June of 2022. There's a very huge resistance for Bitcoin dominance around the 48% region. Bitcoin dominance has been stuck around 48.82% to around 39.67%. But right now, it looks as if Bitcoin is taking control of the total crypto market. And we might see all coins going to gobbling town, because anytime you see Bitcoin dominance in the market increasing, it means Bitcoin is outperforming all coins in the market, or Bitcoin is going sideways and the altcoin market is dumping to gobbling town. But anytime you see Bitcoin dominance going up, it spells trouble for all coins. We saw Bitcoin's market cap rise to as high as $500 billion, but we faced rejection at that level. Bitcoin got rejected when we saw it trading around $26,500. If Bitcoin's bear market relief rally is over, we might just start dumping to gobbling town. If this is just a massive bull trap to the upside, we might still even start dumping to gobbling town very, very aggressively. But if Bitcoin is still continuing that rally towards $28,000, if Bitcoin wants to continue pumping to higher prices in this bear market rally, we still have some resistance waiting for us at higher prices. We might still see Bitcoin find a way to roll towards $28,000 from where we're currently trading right now. Before Bitcoin faces next significant resistance, Bitcoin will need to rally up by 15%. And what the 15% jump mean to the price of Bitcoin from where we're currently trading right now? If Bitcoin goes up 15%, we will see Bitcoin trading around the $28,000 level. So Bitcoin might be heading there in the coming days and the coming weeks, but be very, very careful right now. Bitcoin is outperforming all coins in the market. Bitcoin is currently outperforming Ethereum in the market. It has been a long time coming, but Ethereum has been the king of the market since September of 2019. Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin since then, and we saw Ethereum gaining tremendous value in the bull market, going from as low as $100 to $4,800. Even though Bitcoin had a huge pump in the bull market, it didn't pump as hard as Ethereum. Right now, we are seeing Bitcoin gain on Ethereum, and maybe in the coming days and the coming weeks, we might see Bitcoin have a huge pump against Ethereum, and Ethereum might be dumping to gobbling town against Bitcoin. If you take a look at the altcoin season index, it's telling us right now is Bitcoin season. Right now, Bitcoin is taking control of the market, and the last 1 month, Bitcoin has performed better than the top 50 altcoins in the market. We might stay in Bitcoin month for a while. That's what happens in the bottom of a bear market. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you see Bitcoin rallying above $26,500, maybe getting to as high as $28,000 before the end of the year? or are we going to continue accumulation, continue dumping to gobbling town? There's a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency market right now. There's a lot of thought going around about banks. Do you think Bitcoin is the answer? Will Bitcoin respond in a positive way, pumping towards $28,000? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Our quote of the day: I'll tell you how to become rich. Close the door. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. That was said by Warren Buffett. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.